Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the calendar in Zoho Project using the new 2025 interface. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, locate and click on the Calendar tab, usually found on the left side of your dashboard. The reason we do this is to access the calendar feature, which is the heart of project scheduling. Now that we've done that, you'll see your calendar view. Here's where the fun begins. Look for the Add button, usually located at the top right corner. Clicking this allows you to create a new event or task for your project. This step is crucial because it's how you'll begin populating your calendar with all the important dates and tasks related to your project. Next up, you'll see a pop-up window where you can input your task details. Fill in the title, start and end date, and assign it to your team member if necessary. The reason we do this is to ensure that each task is clearly defined with a specific timeline and person responsible for it. Once you've added the details, hit Save. Congratulations, you've just added your first task to your Zoho Project calendar. But let me explain why this matters. This helps us because it allows us to visually see our project timeline, helping to keep everyone on track and meet our deadlines. Now, what if you want to edit or delete a task? Simply click on the task in your calendar view and choose Edit or Delete from the drop-down menu. This allows for easy modifications should your project needs change. Last but not least, to view tasks for a specific project, use the Projects drop-down at the top of the page. Select the project you want, and it will filter the calendar to show only tasks related to that project. This is handy for when you're managing multiple projects at once and need to focus on one at a time. And that's it. You now know how to use the calendar in Zoho Project. Remember, the calendar is an essential tool for managing your projects effectively, so make sure you use it to its full potential. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.